Well, I was going to give him what was left in the bowl.
Sweet. Thanks, Jude. Thank you, Mama.
Sure.
Ice cream?
No.
Well, I do.
Alright.
Alright, yeah, I do.
Yeah, you do.
Meme, is that good?
You said no.
Yeah.
No, I do. Okay, I don't want that much ice cream.
Oh, jeez.
No, take one of those back. Oh, you just picked it up with your hand.
It's mine.
Isn't it cold? This doesn't fall apart.
Well, it'd be different if I got it out of the oven. Then yeah, I wouldn't be picking it.
I'm baffled. Hi, sis. Now I'm videotaping.
Happy birthday, Susie.
Aw, Alex. What are you telling Aunt Susie? Alex, you tell her happy birthday? Alex? Alexander.
I'm busy.
Alex.
Yeah.
Tell Susie happy birthday.
You want another one? Oh.
I'm busy. You're silly.
Is that what he said?
Yeah, he goes, I'm busy.
What?
Yeah, happy birthday, Francis.
Happy
You're
birthday to the beautiful 30-year-old.
30. Hey, say happy birthday, Aunt Susie.
Oh, 50.
Nice. Goodbye.